Namaste, Shri Param Jyoti Amma Bhagwan Sharan. Today's Atma Sakshatkara experience 12-12-2021 is shared by Galina Dvortsova from Russia. A new stage in my life began for me. This transition was not abrupt, it was imperceptible and very natural. I also had brighter periods, but I feel this state is natural, deep, and very stable. In my life, there is no more personal suffering, no conflict, no comparison. The past no longer bothers me, and there is no more worry about the future. Although some problems have not yet been resolved, but they are no longer perceived by me as problems. There is no concern about their solution. If I can, I do it. If I cannot, I turn to Amma Bhagwan and leave it at their mercy. Surrender to the divine has appeared. I notice that I can no longer be offended. The mind can no longer create stories. I easily continue to communicate with a person who just offended me without a shadow of inner tension, and he communicates with me but with great difficulty, and then instinctively switches to another communication as if nothing had happened between us. This is very surprising. There is no guilt, no fear. After I lived through the fear of death, all the other fears disappear. The resistance of life is gone. Recently, I was in court in complete calm, although I would have worried before. The scammers forged my electronic signature and sent to the tax office the updated declarations for the previous periods for multi-million sums with my signature. During the interrogation, I also had complete calmness. I even joked and was surprised at my own reaction, as if this was not happening to me. I often experience unreasonable joy and bliss. I often laugh. Before entering the courtroom, the director with whom I came to court warned me not to laugh because now I do it often and sometimes at the wrong moment. Sometimes I experience bliss in my body, especially during meditation. When someone touches my body, the world has become colorful. The colors are brighter, as if it had rained and washed everything. Even on rainy days, this feeling persists, a sense of celebration and novelty. The perception has become holistic. When my gaze falls on something, the mind does not refer to it as a flower or a tea. I see a shape or a color, and inside there is surprise and delight, as if I see everything for the first time. The internal dialogue is practically ceased. The mind no longer creates stories. It's quiet inside, the bazaar is stopped. Thoughts arise only functional, where to go, what and how to do. There is a lot of energy. I have no fixed state. It can be peace or silence, causeless joy and delight, bliss or compassion. In difficult moments of life, emotions may arise, but it immediately fades away almost without starting. If the emotion is very strong, it explodes like a fireworks and immediately goes out. Sometimes I experience a state that my body is not my body because it functions independently of me. Or I experience a very bright state that everything happens automatically. I began to enjoy life, the beauty and diversity of nature, every meeting, food, walking, conversation. Sometimes I'm pierced by a feeling of gratitude to my parents, family, and friends, everyone who met on my way. Periodically, from the depths of my heart, endless gratitude rises to Amma and Bhagwan for finding me and leading me carefully and with love through all the revelations of my life and giving me royal gifts. I realize how much Bhagwan loves me. Just out of love and compassion for me, He gives me such gifts. How great He is, how He keeps His promises. I thought that it was the Lord of Shambhala Moria who brought me to Bhagwan, and Bhagwan is the Lord of Shambhala. Bhagwan is my great divine teacher, and I want everyone to know how great He is, that He can do everything He says. Now the time has come, and He keeps promises for everyone. My heart belongs to Amma Bhagwan forever. Thank you, Paranjyoti Shri Amma Bhagwan.